we have reached the last part of our tenses, that is future perfect continuous tense. Again, I am asking you to memorize the spelling of continuous properly. Continuous. This tense is used in the following ways. It describes an action that will be in progress over a period of time that will end in the future. Meaning that we will be using this tense for that action that will be in progress over a period of time and that will end in the future. For example, at noon, Anuradha will have been singing songs for an hour. Or, I will have been working round the clock for 22 years next April. Now, what are the rules for affirmative sentences in future perfect continuous tense? The same rule will apply to will and shall, the rules which we have been following in simple future, future continuous and future perfect. That is, second person and third person will be followed by will and first person will be followed by shall. Like you, he, she, it, they will be followed by will, have, been, first form of a verb, ing and then object. And first person will be followed by shall, have, been, first form of a verb, ing and then object. Now the examples are, by next April we shall have been leaving for the USA. Now, what is the rule for negative sentence? That second person and third person will be followed by will, then not, plus have been, plus first form of the verb, ing and then object. Then first person shall not, have been, then first form of a verb, ing and then object. So, I shall not have been writing for half an hour. Mahima will not have been going to Kanpur for a long time. So, these are the examples of negative sentence, and this is the structure I have just touched upon that we have to follow while forming the present perfect continuous tense. What are the rules for interrogative sentences? Will, shall, when we are making the interrogative sentence using the helping verb. That is, will, shall, then subject, have been, first form of a verb, ing, then object. And when we are making the interrogative sentence using WH word, then it will be WH word, will, shall, subject, have been, first form of the verb, ing, and then object. Will she have been playing for some time? This is the example when we are forming the interrogative sentence using helping verb. Then what are the examples? When we are using WH words, why will you not have been going to school since 8 o'clock? So again, I am saying what are the WH words? Why, where, what, where, when, how. So, but one thing I want you to know that this is the only tense of all the parts of the tenses we have covered so far. This is the only tense which is rarely used. Means it is not in common practice. So we have learned this we have learned this tense just to understand the structure of this future perfect continuous tense. Otherwise, we hardly use this tense. Now, your assignments will be followed very soon when your WhatsApp groups will be created. Till then, you all keep revising first, second, third form of the verb. That is simple present, past form and the past participle form of the verb.